Welcome to Auto Vibe all-new Pejaro Storm-X 2026, a machine that blends futuristic aesthetics with raw power. As we begin this thrilling walk-around, the Storm-X greets us with a bold and commanding presence. The sculpted body is aerodynamic yet aggressive, with signature LED daytime running lights that curve around the new V-line grille, creating an unmistakable look. The front bumper houses integrated fog lamps, sleek air intakes, and an ultra-modern radar unit that signals its semi-autonomous capabilities. Moving to the side, the right profile showcases its elevated stance and muscular arches. The 21-inch dual-tone alloy wheels are wrapped in high-performance all-terrain tires, built for both urban roads and rugged terrain. Chrome accents highlight the sharp body lines, while flush door handles pop out with a gentle touch. The sculpted side mirrors, with integrated indicators and 360-degree cameras, add both elegance and tech-forward functionality. At the rear, the Storm-X continues to impress. A wide LED taillight strip runs across the tailgate, connected seamlessly by a luminous Storm-X badge. The roof-mounted spoiler and dual exhausts are not just for show. They complete the sporty yet refined design. The powered tailgate opens to reveal generous cargo space, ideal for all your adventurous getaways. Step inside and you're welcomed by a futuristic dashboard. A panoramic display flows across the front, integrating the digital instrument cluster and infotainment screen with haptic feedback. The premium leather-wrapped steering wheel is multifunctional, and ambient lighting sets the perfect mood for every drive. The front seats are ventilated, power-adjustable, and wrapped in quilted leather, offering unmatched comfort. Move to the rear and you'll find spacious, reclining back seats with individual climate zones and rear touch controls. Under the hood lies the Beast, a turbocharged V6 hybrid engine paired with an intelligent all-wheel drive system. Silent at idle but roaring on throttle, it delivers the kind of performance that makes the Pejaro Storm-X 2026 a true storm on wheels.